Today we're going to be making a set of 4 coasters and a holder. You want to start out by pouring equal parts of epoxy resin. Depending on what type of resin you're using, you may need to measure 1:1 ratio, 2:1 ratio, or even a 3:1 ratio. But I make sure to get a 1:1 ratio because it's easier for me. And I'm not gonna lie, I eyeball my measurements. So then I just pour my part B into my part A. Make sure I strip the sides and every little drop I can. Then you want to start mixing until it's clear. You can see part A and B starting to come together and it gets cloudy. When you're done, it should look clear like this. I'm going to start with a small amount of resin to place my flowers in the center. And I'm just going to lay them down. For the holder, I'm going to lay it upside down because the holder itself is upside down. And then after I laid the other flower upside down, I realized I wanted them all upside down. So we're just going to speed past that a little bit. Now I'm going to be using my copper flakes and spread them around the flowers. I usually use tweezers, but I couldn't find them, so just use what you have. Wooden sticks work perfectly fine, it just takes a little longer to spread around. Now this is what they're starting to look like so far before we add any color. Next, I'm going to use this Rollio mica powder in the shade Pearl White. I'm going to add some resin to a smaller cup. You don't have to do this part, it's just my preference. I'm going to take a little powder. Well, it may not look like a little, but... And we're going to mix it all together. And you still want to scrape the sides while you do this. Looks like this. And now we can pour. I'm just pouring the rest of the resin in. I'm going to add some more mica powder to it. And then pour it onto the coasters. When pouring, you can adjust whatever shifts away during your pour. As you can see, the flakes are moving. I just move them back after I'm done pouring it. And after waiting 24 hours, you come out with this beautifully made coaster set for your home or for a friend.